It's been a couple of months since we showed you around our building and our warehouse, so we thought we'd just give you a tour. If you look behind me, it's raining. If you ever need us, today's the day you're going to need us. Give us a call, 480-892-5311. Let's go ahead and get started here in the warehouse. As you move inside, you can see the samples that we have on the wall. This is our service driveway where our guys starting in their days. They come in here, they match up the samples that they need. We have all of these colors in our warehouse and here on our property, so we're ready to serve you every day. As you move down the line, you'll see that our pallet racks are up and running. We spent a couple of months getting them put together and get them in the right place and getting all the material on them so we'd have everything you need every day. As we go down a little bit further, you'll see the names of some of our foremen here on the wall. That's where we put their pallets for all their materials each day. And you'll see there's nothing there. All our guys have already picked up their materials and are on their way out. In fact, here comes a truck rolling in right now, coming back in to get a couple of things he needs for his next leak call today. This is a perfect example of how it works. He'll pull in, stop, open up his work order, grab everything he needs, and off he goes to the next one. So as we move around on this side of the warehouse, you'll see that this is more of an inventory side. Our guys don't normally drive through here. This is inventory of all the products you need. Everything from foam packs to trash bags to shingles and caulking and underlayment. There's every kind of underlayment you can think of. We do trainings in here once a month with the whole company. We show up at 6 o'clock and we spend an hour talking about the goods and the bads and where the industry's going, and we talk about our personal lives and how we can be better people and better employees, better employers, and better contractors for you guys. So we spent a lot of time in this room. It was we felt like in the beginning it was going to be a big investment for us. Kind of went out on a limb. I don't think you'll find this in very many roofing companies here in the valley. So follow me into our residential office. So this is Georgie and Des. You can see they're both busy on the phones talking to customers. If you're a residential customer and you call in, you'll get Brandy, who is our receptionist. She'll ask you what she can do for you. She'll get certain information from you, and then she'll transfer you to the right department. If you're a single-family homeowner, this is where it comes from. Georgie and Des will be your best friends in the world. These are great ladies. They take really good care of you and us. We really appreciate them. Around here you'll see some other desks. Justin, our residential division manager, sits here along with our project managers, production managers, and this is where their work starts and ends. Now we're gonna walk in on Misha and Angelica. They're in our business-to-business residential. Oh look, we got lots of others too. So this is our business-to-business residential. So if you're in a multifamily situation, or if you're a non-owner occupied single-family home or townhouse, apartment buildings, this is where all of that stuff gets taken care of. Janelle's also here today. She works for us quite a bit and is gonna take over for a few weeks while we go on absence and have a new baby, another member for Five Guys. Anyway, this is business residential. You can see we've moved in. We're kind of making it home. There's carpets on the floor. We got pictures up. You see the whiteboards where they talk about training and different things, and the TV screens where we do trainings and share information on. So with that, we'll go back in and through the training room, and we'll go back over into the commercial office. Probably find Tommy and Lexi in here hard at work. We'll try to be quiet because they may be on the phone. Oh look, Jake's here and Benji's here. You can see that we've been in this office about the same amount of time, but these ladies have done a really, really good job of making it feel like home. It's a great place to work. If you are a commercial customer, this is where all of your work gets done with Lexi and Tommy. Jake is our customer relations guy, and we've got Luis, who is our commercial production manager, and Benji, who is our application specialist. among other guys that come and go through this room. This is commercial division. If you got rain and you got leaks, you need us today. Give us a call, 5 Guys Roofing, 480-892-5311.